Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Vaibhav Garg and I have secured All India Rank 1 in NEET PG 2024 and All India Rank 12 in INI CET November 2024. I would like to talk about a special feature of the Cerebellum, the Mission Live lectures, which I immensely like. It provides a structured schedule of live classes which are held in app, and that is later followed by examination discussion to finish a subject in a limited period of time and to know the most important topics which are asked in that subject. I like that there are different batches according to which level of preparation there are. Multiple batches run simultaneously in which live lectures are held. So you can decide at what preparation you want to join this program after you have finished your main videos, and what is the right stage for you to start the Mission Live lectures to summate your entire journey in a more better way, so that the most high-yield content you are revising in very close to your examination. In the in-app live classes, the students can chat with the faculty and they can ask their doubts simultaneously, so that they know that there is a teacher to teach them and to clarify their doubts. That feels a lot more personal to the students like me. The live lectures, it is going to eliminate the factor of laziness and boredom because it is an interactive class, so you will enjoy learning the subject when you are preparing using the Mission Live lectures. Very close to the exam, the time is always limited, and using Mission Live lectures you can cover the subjects in a concise manner, yet not losing out on the important information, but at the same time not getting lost in the vastness of the subjects, which can be difficult to revise, especially for those who are interns or who are working. I believe that the Mission Live lectures are a game changer for interns and post-interns because it will give you a very well structured schedule, and in postgraduate exam preparation, schedule is the main factor behind success, because our goal is not to study everything what we have planned. Our goal is to study every day in a planned manner, and this planned way of studying is the schedule which Cerebellum Mission Live lectures provide. I also feel that with the upcoming trends and changes which occur with every exam, these live lectures are the best way you can cover all the important updates and update yourself with the ever-changing examination pattern, because with every subsequent batch of Mission Live lecture revision cycle, the updates will be covered, so you will not have to refer to anything else for the changes which are occurring in the examination. It feels like the teachers are also going through the same examination cycle as the students, because they are also coming every day, taking live lectures and then discussing the examination discussion, and this happens multiple number of times before the actual examination. So it feels a lot more personal that teachers are also doing so much hard work and showing so much dedication, which further motivates us to work harder and to push our limits. It is the best way to inculcate discipline in your preparation, because with discipline the journey becomes a lot more easy, as you see the teacher is working so hard and you see their level of dedication towards teaching, which help you to maintain your focus during live classes and while studying, and to increase your attention span. With the Mission Live lectures, I feel there is a lot more accountability, because other folks are also using the live lecture, they're also asking their doubts and they are discussing amongst their own groups. So it feels a lot more personal, and it also motivates you to further push harder and try your best. I also feel that the Telegram group which Cerebellum has created is also a very good resource, because in that group you can always ask the teachers your doubts, and you will get the unannotated PDFs of whatever is going to be discussed in the live lectures. And this unannotated PDF will give you the benefit, the bonus of active recall. When you will see the PDF and you will try to think what would be the answer to this question, what all should be known about that topic, that would give you the benefit of active recall, which is a very important feature in the learning process. Ultimately, I would like to say to all the aspirants that you have to put in the effort. In Mission Live lectures, you have to put in the effort of coming daily and seeing the lecture, just showing up every day, just like the teacher with whom you are studying. So there is no shortcut. You have to give in the hours, you have to work hard, and that is required. But if you are lacking the discipline, then Mission Live lectures is the game changer for you, and you have to join, because if you are not able to prepare your own schedule, then following a pre-made schedule, it would definitely be helpful. With Mission Live lectures, there is only one condition to success and to get a good rank, that you have to be as dedicated as the teachers of Cerebellum who are taking the live lectures.